How to fix invalid request parameters or invalid problem connecting Instagram to TikTok profile. So to get started, go ahead and open the App Store on your device. So if you're using an Android device, go ahead and open Google Play Store and then open App Store if you're using an iOS device. And here, go ahead and head over into the search tab and then search for TikTok and Instagram and then check if there are any updates for that applications. So if you find an update button instead of a open button, go ahead and click on that update button since that means that there is an update for that specific app. Now, once the app is done updating, go ahead and open the app. So go ahead and open Instagram on your device. So you can also wait for this to be done. But I'll open Instagram on my end immediately. And then on Instagram, go ahead and head over to your profile. And then from here, go ahead and head over to settings and then head over to account. And then scroll down and tap switch account type and then choose switch to personal account. Restart the Instagram app, and TikTok may not support linking business or creator accounts due to API restrictions. So after doing that, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. So go ahead and close your Instagram profile and then head over to TikTok. Now, once you're on TikTok, go ahead and click on your profile. So you'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and click on edit at the right side of your display name, and that will take you into the settings section. So once you're on that settings for editing your profile section, go ahead and click on this links tab, and that will take you into this section. So in here, click on Instagram and that will redirect you to Instagram. So you need to sign into your Instagram account and then grant permission to connect your Instagram account with your TikTok account. And that is how you can basically fix invalid request parameters or invalid problem connecting Instagram to TikTok profile.